Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna be testing out YSL makeups. So now, let's begin. We will be using this All Hours foundation stick. So this is how it looks like. This retails for 470 SEK. I got I think 4 of these. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty, right? I already used this and I made a detailed review of this, and if ever you want to watch that video, I will put the link in the description box down below or here in my card. So this is how it looks like. What I love about this is warm shade, but this did not oxidize on my face. This does not give me grayish undertone. Plus this really gives a natural finish and make the redness of my face. Oh, look what happened. Oh my god, the packaging. The packaging is really good looking, but you can tell that the plastic is little cheap. But then it's expensive, but yeah, what can we say? So I will be using my fingers because I want to use a sponge, but I feel lazy to stand up right now. So as you can see, guys, it really evens out your skin tone, but then this foundation will not give you the full coverage that you want. This is a good coverage, don't get me wrong, but then if you want a really full coverage, you can use my favorite cream foundation, which is the Octard Cover Foundation that is made in Japan. Or I know it's hard to find because it is made in Japan. You can substitute that with the Naturactor Cover Foundation. They are sisters. And also, I made a review on that in Philippines before. If ever you want to watch that video, just to compare the difference, I will put the link in the description box down below. This is how my face looks like now. It's like an instant filter. Yeah, it's really good. But then still, you can still see some of my blemishes here, some of my super dark blemishes here. Of course, if you want to cover everything, you still need to use concealer. And now, guys, we will be using their eyeshadow. I think this is for like smoky eyes. The box says this is the Couture Variation 10 color eye palette. This is in the shade number 4 Underground. This one, the packaging, the plastic is little okay than this one, but I like how they're matchy. And look at the other lipstick here, right? They're really pretty. When I like gold, you know me, I like gold and black packaging when it comes to makeup, and I love them, like putting this on your vanity and they are all matchy like this. Here there is a mirror here, as you can see, with plastic here, but then you can see some instruction here on how to use this, and this is the shade. The brush has like YSL logo. Oh, they have cream here, which I will put on my, I think this is like eyelid primer. Yeah, this is like eyelid primer. Oh, it's good. See? Look at the difference. It brightens up the eyes. I will also put under my eyes. See the difference? I will use it. It's good. At least you don't need to worry about the eyelid primer. Me, I am not. Sometimes I use eyelid primer, but I feel like it's a waste of money if I will buy that because I'm not really using eyeshadow every day. I only use highlighter for my eyes and I rarely use eyeshadow. So this is good. At least if I need eyelid primer, I can use the eyelid primer here. And also under my eye to prevent the eye makeup from creasing. Okay, now I will be using this gray color right here. Oh, there is fallout. So I put everything here all over my eyelid. We will create like smoky eyes. I will use my other eyeshadow. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush from Chanel. Let's use this one. It's hard to use that one because I think it's like fluffy brush. I will use this one, the eyeshadow applicator brush here. Okay, this one. So I can pack the eyeshadow. Oh yeah, it's good. Really, this is really good. The Chanel eyeshadow brush. Really good quality. This is like good value for money. The Chanel, this Chanel brushes. Although look at this, although there is really like fallouts, I don't know if you can see it, but there is really fallout, little powdery, but yeah, it's fine. And then I will be using the other ends with I think I want to get this like purple shade here. Make it like a little, because I don't like to use eyeliner, I will just try to use this one. And then I will be using this black eyeshadow, this creamy black eyeshadow, not the powder one at the end. Okay, like, instead of getting eyeliner, I will use this as the eyeliner. Okay, and then I will get this shimmery champagne color. I will just use my fingers and dab this in the middle part of the eyes to give like halo effect. I will just put mascara and I will get back to you later. I will put some highlight in the inner corners of my eyes. Wait, I will get some, this one. I will just get the lightest shade here, the second one, the white, the shimmery white. Okay, and I'll put this here in the inner corners. Oh, it's good, look.
Lipstick time! I have here the YSL Slim Lipstick. I love the creamy matte finish this lipstick is giving. Yet, this is so pigmented. I will not swatch the other lipsticks. We will only use the shade 02 in Strange Orange because I will give the remaining 4 lipstick to my friends and I picked wearable shades for them, so there will be a big possibility that they can wear these. You know, I'm the only one who like orange matte lippy, so this orange lippy is mine. I love how vivid the color is.
I like the shade of this. The triangular shade makes the application easier. Oh, so pretty.
And now this is my final look. Overall, I like the quality of this makeup, especially the foundation stick and the lipstick. The packaging is just stunning. Black and gold, so luxurious design. I think I will collect YSL makeup now because they are just so pretty. Thank you for watching. Bye!